Would the renminbi be faring better if it were universally known as the redback? 1 year on from the surprise devaluation that shocked global markets, offshore deposits in the currency have fallen by a quarter, and its share of global payments has fallen more than a third. The chances are that these falls are cyclical and certainly not directly linked to its name. But the offshore dollar market, known as euro-dollar, just rolls off the tongue. The offshore renminbi does not, and traders do like catchy names. For those that believe in China's rise as a world economic power and that this will continue, then internationalizing the renminbi is a long-term economic play as well as official Beijing policy. Like the euro-dollar market that developed outside the US in the post-war period, its use will ultimately be determined by demand outside its home country. Along the way, however, the renminbi will be buffeted by events. Looking at payments and deposit data, buffeting is exactly what has happened. Mainland companies have been paying down dollar debt and have drawn on offshore renminbi to do that. Retail investors too, who thought the renminbi a one-way bet of appreciating bet, they've also been put off from increasing those savings. And dim sum bond issuance, offshore renminbi debt, and one example of marketing Chinese products with a catchy name, dim sum bond issuance has fallen too as the costs of borrowing offshore have risen. The renminbi's use in payments has fallen from a 2.79% share in August last year to 1.72% in June, according to SWIFT, the payment service. Over that period, it's fallen from 4th, when it narrowly beat the yen, to 6th, behind the Canadian dollar. At the same time, however, the number of banks able to deal in it has risen by more than a tenth. That suggests the financial system is only partway through the process of gearing up to handle the currency. Now to find a catchy name. Euro renminbi is clearly out. Renminbi's market codes, CNH for offshore and CNY for mainland, are hardly a headline writer's dream. Dim sum is taken, as is panda for onshore renminbi denominated bonds. Redback is gaining a little currency, but there is room for something better. Yuan-related puns have been banned in the FT as tired and mispronounced. Now, one colleague suggested bamboo bucks. Other ideas on a postcard, please.